Hello, parents and families. My name is Lashay. I'm the owner of Sophisticated Eats by Lashay, and I just want to talk about my Kids Cooking Academy course that I offer on a monthly basis. I have 16 years of teaching foods and nutrition at the secondary education level, and I love providing this opportunity for ages 9 to 15 on a monthly basis. So when you register your child for each month, you will receive recipe cards, grocery lists, and equipment lists, and a safety tips. It's so important for us to be safe in the kitchen and using our tools appropriately. And that's one thing I really preach and practice to my students whenever I am teaching them. It's also important that parents are nearby to assist their learner when they are participating in our cooking courses online. You will also receive different tips about how to measure and how we can use our tools safely and efficiently in the kitchen. Your learner will also receive an apron, which is a color code of their favorite color and just their size for participating in the course. And this will be mailed to you 4 to 5 weeks whenever you register for the course. We also offer one-on-one coaching prior to our classes. So if your learner has any questions, they can also schedule a consultation, or you can schedule a consultation as well. We also offer a 6-month subscription to our cooking classes, which are only $50. That's a $57 saving that we're offering this month for our parents and families. I look forward to seeing you all soon. Also, if you have any questions, please feel free to schedule your free cooking consultation so we can discuss any concerns that you may have or any questions that you may have about your learner participating in our Kids Cooking Academy program. Also, upon registering, your little learner will also receive their certificate of participation after they have completed a course. So I look forward to seeing you all soon. Again, please feel free to contact us if you have any questions. Take care and happy cooking.